All right, let's see if I can solve this. This is not going to be very easy, obviously, for the size and needing the dexterity to even handle such a thing. But the main thing is going to be, because I'm going to solve this with the CFOP method, but I know all the algorithms just from muscle memory. And muscle memory doesn't work when you're handling something that is 1 centimeter. All right, that's good. Let's see. Get started. Okay, so I've got. Let's see here. Do I even? Okay, let's just. Oops. Put that there. Put that there. Put this there. Make that turn. And I've got this. And I just have to put this there. Okay. All right, so I got the cross, and I tried to save that, but it didn't work, so. All right. Okay, so do that first pair. So turn this over here. Ah, good Lord. This thing is too small to try to do a sexy move. Wait a minute, did I even get that right? What? Wait a second. Oh. You know, I did this before, and it was nowhere near as stressful. There we go. So, got that second pair. I've got this one right here. There we go. Now I just got to do the last one. Where's the, oh, here it is. Is that right? Nope. Got confused for there. Okay, all right. So first 2 layers are done. Let's see. So this, let's see if I can, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's this case, except, let's see. You know what? I do this algorithm all the time. I can't remember what algorithm to do. Let me just do soon, because it's so small. Like I said, there's no muscle memory. Soon I can do, because, oops, I thought I could do. Oh my God, I screwed up that too. Hold on a second. Let's do that. There we go. Let's see here. Can I do this? No, can't do it. I can't do any of these algorithms. I just can't remember them. So let's just, not even this I can do. I'm going to look for an algorithm, or I'm trying to do a case that I can probably do without muscle memory. Can I do this one without muscle memory? can't do this one either. I can't do any of these algorithms. What about this one? All right, this one I can do. This one's reverse soon. My gosh. There we go. Okay, so we got a Y perm. You know what? I'm just gonna look up my notes and just read the Y perm, because I'm not gonna waste any more time trying to figure this out. I'm just gonna look up the notes. Wait a minute. Oh no. Okay, there we go. All right. There it is. Okay, let's just do a quick checkerboard pattern. See what that looks like. You know what? Let me just tell you something. No stickers on this thing. This is basically, it's almost like tiled. So I don't have to worry about stickers falling off this thing. That's good. And it is pretty solid. I mean, this is honestly kind of, it's probably plastic, right? But it feels like it could just be a block of wood. So that's good. All right. Okay, let's restore this. And that is the 1 centimeter Rubik's Cube.